for you homework. So about domestic animals, no children. I told you to read textbook, no. So today I am going to tell you about wild animals. So children, what is wild animals? How can you tell wild animals? Chapala. So wild animals is nothing but that animals will live in forest. Okay. మనతో ఉండకుండా వైల్డ్ అనిమల్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి తెలుసా? ఫారెస్ట్ లో ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఫారెస్ట్ అంటే అడవిలో. ఫారెస్ట్ లో కామన్ ఏ అనిమల్స్ ఉంటాయి? లయన్, టైగర్, వుల్ఫ్, జీబ్రా, జిరాఫ్, monkeys, deers will be there, no? So today I will tell you. Okay. So first, wolf. First, what children? Wolf. Wolf means not fox. Okay. Wolf ante vere. Okay na? Children, see here. Observe here. This is wolf. Okay. Wolf ఏ కలర్ లో ఉంటది తెలుసా? Wolf will be in grey color. Okay. And see the fox. This is fox. Fox will be in which color, children? So here orange color is there, no? But some foxes will be have some ఏమంటారు మచ్చలు ఉంటాయి కదా. సో అలాంటివి కూడా ఉంటాయి. అండ్ ఫాక్స్ ఇయర్స్ విల్ బి ఇన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ షేప్. ఓకే. ఫాక్స్ ఇయర్స్ ఏ కలర్ లో ఉంటే చెవులు ట్రయాంగిల్ షేప్ లో కనిపిస్తాయి. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఈస్ వుల్ఫ్. సీ చిల్డ్రన్, దిస్ ఈస్ వుల్ఫ్. నౌ టైగర్. టైగర్ తెలుసు కదా మీకు? టైగర్ విల్ బి విచ్ కలర్? yellow కలర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, బ్లాక్ కలర్ స్ట్రైప్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా. అండ్ టైగర్ విల్ ఈట్ మీట్. మీట్ అంటే ఏంటి? నాన్ వెజ్ ఉంటుంది కదా. టైగర్ విల్ ఈట్ స్మాల్ స్మాల్ అనిమల్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, అలాంటివి తింటారు అనమాట. అండ్ సీ చిల్డ్రన్, దిస్ ఈస్ టైగర్. అండ్ దిస్ టైగర్ ఈజ్ అవర్ national animal. Okay, don't forget this tiger is our national animal. Now see here children, giraffe. Giraffe will have long head. Okay, neck. See here, enta pedda neck undi kada, chaala podavu untadi kada. It will eat leaves. Okay. Now see here children, deer. Deer also will eat grass. We can see these animals in zoo park, no nani, zoo no nani. So manam last year zoo ki vellinappudu chusam kada, deers are there, no? Some small deers are there, some big deers are there, no nana? Yes, no? So deers we saw, and tiger also we saw, no nani? And cheetah also we saw. This is deer. This is fox. See nani, black and white lo undi kada. That is zebra. See here, this is zebra. Zebra also wild animal only. Now see rhinoceros. This is rhinoceros. Rhinoceros will have only one horn. Okay, only one horn. See here, observe here. This rhinoceros is having only one horn. Okay. See this children, monkey. What is this? Monkey. Monkey also is a wild animal. Bear. This bear will have thick hair in its body. Okay na? Bear ki chaala hairs untadi and it will be brown color. And some bears will be there, no? That are in white and black, no? That we call panda. Okay? So don't be confused. This is bear. Bear will be in brown color. Okay? This is lion. So children, what is this? This is lion. Lion is the king of the forest. Who is the king of the forest? Who is the head of your family? Father, no? So like that, this lion also is the king of the forest. Okay? Annitikante pedda animal lion. See this? Very big and heavy animal. What is that? Elephant. What is that children? Elephant. Elephant will be in which color? Grey color. Okay? So elephant also is a wild animal. Okay children, now you got the difference between wild and domestic animals. I think so. So now I will show you the pictures. You have to identify whether it is wild animal or domestic animal. Okay. So see children, these are all the domestic animals and these are all the wild animals. Yes, no? Yes, no children? Now I will show you the pictures. Okay, you have to answer for the pictures. See children, what is this? What is this? it will be in forest and it will eat leaves. Leaves will be there, no? Leaves. And these deers will have very beautiful eyes. Okay? So deer eyes ఎలా ఉంటాయి, చాలా అందంగా ఉంటాయి. See children, so this is deer. Now see children, what is this? Dog. Dog is domestic or wild animal? Domestic animal, no? So this dog is very friendly and domestic animal to us, no? So this is very friendly animal and it will be very faithful to us and it will guard our house. Yes, no? And now tell me children, what this dog will do? This dog love to eat fish, meat, bones and milk, no? And this dog love to run and play very much. Okay? With the children. చిన్న పిల్లలతోటి గేమ్స్ ఆడుకోవడం అన్నా రన్ చేయడం డాగ్ కి చాలా ఇష్టం. ఓకే, నౌ టెల్ మీ చిల్డ్రన్, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? Goat. What is this children? Goat. This goat is also domestic animal only. Yes, no? Yes, no, domestic animal. It will eat grass and leaves. And it will have, how many arms did this goat have? See here, 2 arms. Yes, no? Some goats will be in brown color, some goats will be in black color, white color. Yes, no? Now see this. This goat we will eat known as meat. Mutton తెలుసు కదా? So this only. Yes, no? Now see here. See children, what is this? Meow. What will say? Meow. Meow. Which animal will say, Nani? Yes. Cat will say, no? This cat is a domestic animal. This cat, which animal children? Domestic animal. This cat will have very soft hair. Hair ఉంటుంది కదా, cat hair చాలా సాఫ్ట్ గా ఉంటుంది. And this cat will like to sleep like you. Okay? See children, what is this? Elephant. So elephant is a domestic or wild animal? Yes, wild animal, no? So this elephant is the largest and wild animal. It will be where it will be children? It will be forest only. Okay? And this elephant will make a loud trumpet sound. It will ఉంటాయి కదా, తొండంతో ఇలా పైకి అని పెద్ద శబ్దం చేస్తారు కదా. సో ఎలిఫెంట్ కి టీత్ ఉంటాయా? Yes, చూడండి ఇక్కడ elephant will have 2 teeth. Okay? And elephant ears are very big కదా, మన ears చిన్నగా ఉంటాయి కదా, కానీ elephant ears అంత పెద్దగా ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. Yes, no? So now tell me children, what is this? What is this? Yes, it is a 4 legs animal, no? What is that? Horse. Our horse is a domestic animal and it will run very fast, no? Yes, no? Where it will be children? It will be in farm. Farm lo untayi kada domestic animals anni. So this is horse. Now tell me children, this horse what will eat? This horse will eat pulses. Pulses ante telusu kada, pappulu telusu kada. So that only this horse will eat. Okay? Children, what is this? This animal have long neck. What is that? Giraffe. And giraffe also is a wild animal. Yes, no? Giraffe is a wild animal, no? Now only I told you, no? So it will eat grass, leaves. Okay? ఈ జిరాఫ్ మనం ఎక్కడ చూస్తాం? జూలో చూస్తాం కదా, ఉంటాయి కదా జూలో, లయన్ ఉంటాయి, టైగర్ ఉంటుంది కదా. Now see children, what is this? Very naughty animal. What is that? Yes, monkey. Monkey will be very naughty, no? It will catch fruits and it will throw and it will make us to run. It will make us to fear. Yes, no? It will be do, no? So this is monkey, and this monkey also is a wild animal. What is this, children? Wild animal only. And now see, children, what is this? This is our national animal. So what is that? Tiger. This is tiger. Is this tiger or cat? Tiger only, no? So this is our national animal. And this tiger will have sharp teeth. Okay? Tiger ki emuntai sharp teeth untai. Okay na? And it is a very strong animal. Okay? It will be used in forest only. Now see, children, what is this? Sheep. Sheep is a domestic animal. Yes, no? We can eat this sheep. Yes, no? Yes. And it will give us wool. Because of that wool, we can make sweaters and we can wear in winter season. Yes, no? So through this sheep only. Sheep also domestic animal only. It will be in farm. Okay? Now see, children, what is this? Is this buffalo? No. What is this then? Cow. Cow only, no? See here, cow. So cow also domestic animal only. Okay? Now what cow will do? Cow will give milk. Yes, no? And it is a vegetarian and it will eat grass only. Okay? Now last one. What is this, children? The king of the forest. Who is that? Lion. Lion also wild animal only. It will be in forest. So children, I hope you have understood the concept of wild and domestic animals. Okay? Now open your course book and read page number 46 in your course book. Okay? Sorry, page number 41. Read wild animals and domestic animals. Okay? After reading that, or when you are reading, take a video or photo and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay? Thank you.